Hi, my name is Sister Rita Paul, and I'm a poor Club Missionary Sisters of the Blessed Sacrament, founded by the Blessed Mother Maria Ines Teresa. I was born in North India and raised in the Catholic family. I made my first vows on December 12, 2005. Since now, I have been very happy with my religious life. Within the 15 years of my religious life, I experienced so much joy and happiness serving God with passion. But at the same time, in 15 years of my life, I went through many challenges. But I know that our Blessed Mother and Jesus is the source of my life. Since then, I have never regretted or looked back the steps that I have taken for my life. For past 13 years, I live in California and I'm a preschool teacher. I spent years teaching little and innocent kids, and I believe that I plant the seed of faith in their lives. They might forget ABCs or numbers that I teach, but will never forget the love, care, and faith that I have planted. I chose the Gospel reading, the solemnity of the Blessed Virgin Mary, the Mother of God, the octave day of Christmas, because I never get tired or speaking about our Blessed Mother. She's my company in my daily life. I experience her love and maternal protection in my life. When I am experiencing difficult moments, I ask her help. She then presents my needs to her Son, especially when I am in trouble or any doubt. I remember the tender words that she spoke to San Juan Diego. Am I not your mother close to you? So I choose the Gospel reading for this day. The shepherds went to haste to Bethlehem and found Mary and Joseph and the infant lying in the manger. When they saw this, they made known the message that had been told them about this child. All who heard it were amazed by what had been told them by the shepherds. And Mary kept all these things, reflecting on them in her heart. Then the shepherds returned, glorifying and praising God for all they had heard and seen, just as it had been told to them. When 8 days were completed for this circumcision, he was named Jesus, the name given by the angel before he was conceived in the womb. The solemnity of Mary, Mother of God, provides possibility to renew our devotion to Mary, who is our mother, the Mother Church, because she is our spiritual mother, and we are the church. We begin the new year by reflecting on Our Lady's humility and faith. She is a model of all Christians, and the beginning of the new year is a good time to commit ourselves again to imitating her sincerity to God's will and her love for Christ and His church. Then, what are our New Year resolutions? As we plan ahead and decide towards ideals for the future, we are aware of the need for God in our lives. In the message of the shepherds, gifts of the Magi, and maybe the unusual conversation with Joseph when they wondered about their child and what would be happen to him. But she never loses her faith, and all these things she kept in her heart. She is a model of our faith for today when faith leaves many questions. So I invite you all to recall those words of Our Lady of Guadalupe and feel that you are the little one who needs her help or maternity love, and repeat the same words thinking, am I not your mother close to you? Do not be afraid to say yes to God as Mary did. At the end, I would like to say the Eucharist and the Blessed Virgin Mary is the highway to reach to heaven, as Blessed Carlos Acutis said. May God bless you all and wishing you a very happy new year 2021.